everyone! My name is Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerotics TV. Yes, once again, I'm your handsome donkey reactor here, and wow, another reaction video that you will witness today, that you will like it today, guys. So let's grant another request of our friend. So the name of this our friends, that the one who requests now by this music that we were going to react, is Oliver Mangang, and he wants me to react this kind of a music with the title of Sumhatle. Alright, and this song sing by AJ Maisnam featuring Fusfarani Huidrom, official Akangba Nachom movie song. Oh, this is a movie song, right? So the title of this movie is Akangba Nachom. Alright, so the cast here, Shalhiba and Artina, right? Alright. Guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So without further ado, guys, let's continue. Let's start our reaction. Yeah, Akangba Nachom. Wow. Oh, Shalhiba. This is Artina. Wow. Oh, beautiful views. Sumhatle. Alright. That was the voice of AJ Maisnam. And this one, Fusfarani voice. Woo! The combination of Fusfarani and AJ. Love to hear. Wow. Woo. Woohoo. Oh. Oh, eye to eye contact. Oh. Wow. Artina.
ay nungsibi.
Wow. Wow! Akangba Nachom. Wow! What a combination! What a do by AJ Maisnam and Pushparani. The two singers, the two famous singers in Manipur, Northeast India. The 2-in-1, two singers in one song. All right. Wow, Selhiba, my goodness. How many projects you have now in this year? You're always in my reaction video. My goodness. You are so very successful artist for me. So keep it up, bro, because you're one of my favorite artists, guys, in Manipur, Selhiba. Yes, he's a very good actor, singer, dancer, all talent, guys, all talent. He take it all. But you know, guys, I'm so happy also, guys, for him, because you know, from the start, guys, when I was start my reaction video, Selhiba, he always in my reaction video. Yes, if you look on my playlist, Selhiba, Kaba, who else? AJ Maisnam, Derek Atokfam. They are in my reaction video, guys. But now, when I return back to react, guys, Selhiba. My goodness. But guys, I just wanna congratulate Selhiba for his successful career right now. Okay, so keep it up, bro. You have done today in your career. So good luck again. Alright, guys, so thank you so much again for having me here until the end of this reaction video. And before I end this reaction, I just wanna remind you guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So see you on my next reaction video, guys. I love you all and God bless you. Bye bye.